Hey ladies, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today I have a quick push and pull workout for you. So we're going to be working our chest and our triceps and our back and our biceps, all with this 15-minute workout. This 15-minute workout is part of a little series that I've put together to prove to you that you can get an amazing workout in just 15 minutes or less. So this workout is part of my app, The Fitness Collective, that has over 150 full-length style workouts just for you. There's a 2-week free trial down below if you want to try it out. Check it out. There's a ton of workouts, and you can also find these workouts on the blog, thelivefitgirls.com. So let's get started with a little warm-up. We're going to come down onto our mat for a plank, so no weights yet. Hands can come right underneath those shoulders. Step those feet back and find a nice, beautiful plank and hold it here for 30 seconds. So tiny little bend in those elbows to make sure you're not locked out. Make sure those biceps are working here. Abs are super strong. Scoop that belly in nice and deep. Lengthen through the crown of your head, out through those heels. Pressing that floor away, getting nice and long through that spine. Big inhales and exhales. Breathing in, see if you can tighten that core even just a little bit more. We're gonna go into a downward dog to our plank position. So from here, you're gonna lift those hips up and back, shift it back forward. So using those shoulders back, get a nice little stretch through the spine, through those legs, and forward. Back and forward, keeping that core nice and tight, finding that beautiful plank each and every time. Again, no locked out elbows here, trying to keep those shoulders away from the ears. Here's 3 more. You've got it for 2. And last one right here. Hold that plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Shake it on out. All right, grab your dumbbells. We're gonna get into a little back work first. So we're gonna stand it up. Feet are gonna be hip distance apart. I'm just gonna turn to the side here so you can see just a little different angle. So feet hip distance apart. And then from here, you're gonna hinge it over from those hips. Shoulders plugged down your back. I want your palms to start facing towards you here. We're gonna do a rotating row. So when you pull those arms up, you're gonna rotate so that the palms are facing forward. So nice flat back here. From here, you pull those elbows up, rotate the palms forward, rotate it back down. Pull and rotate and down. So it's like a little narrow row with those palms facing forward. You squeeze and pull, squeeze those shoulder blades. We've got 15 right here. And down, core strong, protecting that spine. I want you to look about 3 feet in front of you to the very front edge of your mat here, so that neck stays right in line with your spine. And down, pull, rotate, and down, really squeezing those shoulders down your back and together. So you're getting all of those muscles in the back. You should feel lots of biceps with that little rotation happening here. Core strong for 2. Last one. And bring it on up. All right, so from here, we're gonna come down onto our mat. We're gonna be doing a chest press or a chest fly into a narrow press. So the palms are gonna stay facing in together the whole time here. So lay it on back. Grab those weights, and then from here, you're gonna bring those arms up to the sky, palms facing in. I want you to have a tiny little soft bend in those elbows, and then from here, you're gonna open the arms out to the side, come up. Now, narrow press. You come down, press it up. Open for a fly, up, narrow press. 15 rounds right here. Open, up, narrow press. Palms facing in the whole time. Good, open, soft bend in the elbows here with that fly, bend to press. Open, up, bend, press. If you want a little extra ab or core work here, you can bring those legs up to tabletop for a little challenge. It's just an option here. Do what feels right for you and your body. Core super strong with or without those legs up. Either way, those abs are still staying strong, protecting that spine. Open, up, down. Open, up, and down. 3. Whew. Arms are feeling it already. 2 more. Last one right here. Press it up. Bring those weights down. And then come on up. Grab those weights for that rotating row again. All right, stand it on up, feet hip distance apart. Grab those weights. Here we go. You ready? We're doing it all again. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. You rotate and pull and down. Now you know what you're doing. Rotate and pull. We've just got these 2 exercises today, but I promise you, you are working that whole total upper body. You're gonna feel so strong after this. Again, this rotation is just helping us get those biceps a little bit more here. You exhale, pull and rotate and down. Exhale, pull and rotate and down. Come on. You are so strong. You can do this. 3 more here. You can do it. Pull. Squeezing those shoulder blades tighter each and every time. Last one. And bring it on up to standing. All right, place those weights down. Come on down to your back. Let's get into that chest work. All right, lay all the way back. Grabbing those weights. Again, feel free to find that core variation with those legs in tabletop if you would like here. Palms facing in, arms come up to the sky. Here we go. Soft bend in those elbows. You open, up, narrow press here. Right back up. Open, narrow press. So this narrow press position is going to be working those triceps just a little bit more here. And the fronts of those shoulders. Open, down, and press. This chest fly is really getting those pecs, those chest muscles. Open and narrow press. Working on those stabilizing muscles in the shoulders, in the shoulder girdle. Again, 15 rounds. So 15 of the flies and the presses. Down and press. Again, we're working every muscle in that upper body here. Chest and triceps. This one targets those front shoulders again a little bit. And those rows get the back, the biceps, and those rear shoulder muscles. Here's 2. Last round right here, you can do it. And down. Put those weights to the side. Bring yourself all the way up to standing. All right, we are doing this 2 more times. We're gonna run right through it and get those arms working. All right, you ready? Rotating rows, here we go. Hinge it over, palms facing towards you. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Rotate and pull and down. Pull and down. You know it's going. Let's zip through these last 2 sets of everything. Pull. Pull, core engaged, making sure that torso is not moving here. Neck, again, right in line with your spine, looking about 3 feet in front of you. Draw those shoulder blades down each and every time. Squeeze those shoulder blades in the back. You can do it, I know you can. Good, lengthen that spine for 3. Squeeze it for 2. Last one. And down. All right, come on down onto your back. Let's get into that chest work. Let's go. All right, again, find that core variation if you would like. Rotate those palms, facing in, soft bend. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Open, up, narrow press. Open, up, narrow press. You've got it. You know what you're doing. You don't even need to look at me now. You're just opening to that fly. Narrow press here, squeezing the chest, especially for that fly, and then trying to get those triceps and shoulders for that narrow press. Yes, you're gonna be getting a little chest, but try and focus on that squeeze in the back of the arms and right in front of those front shoulder muscles. You've got it. Press. Open, up, down, and press. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. Pressing play is the hardest part, but you did it. You're here. Be proud of yourself. Acknowledge that you showed up today. Acknowledge those accomplishments. Core still tight. Open, up. 2 more rounds. Come on. I've got 1 more set after this. Last one. Bend, press. Good. Push those weights down onto the mat. Bring it on up. And then 1 more set. Let's do this. You are so strong. Be proud of yourself. Let's go. Rotating rows in 3, 2, 1. Rotate and pull. Down, pull, and down. Again, acknowledging yourself for showing up, giving yourself that pat on the back. This is the hardest part. You are making time for you, and you are the most important thing. You can't take care of anyone else before you. You need to take care of you, and then you can give everybody else the best care that they deserve, but you deserve it first. Remember that always. Here's 3. Rotate and pull for 2. Last one, come on. And up. All right, bring it on down. Back down to the mat. Last set here. We've got this. You ready? Find that core variation if you'd like. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Open, up, bend and press. Open, up, bend and press. You've got this. Press. Again, focusing a little bit more on the chest for those chest flies here. Feeling that squeeze and that pull together of those chest muscles, those pecs. And then for that press, feel those triceps squeeze in the back of the arm. At the very, very top there, feel those front shoulder muscles to help push those weights up to the sky. You've got it, ladies. Ooh, these arms are shaking. I hope yours are too. Down and press. 5 more rounds, come on. We get to stretch it out right after this. Push. 4. Here's 3. 2 more. Open, up, bend and press. Last one. Use that breath. Press and down. Whew. All right, let's put those weights off to the side, stretch it all out. All right, stand on up. Let's stretch out those shoulders and those back muscles. You're gonna bring that right arm across the chest and give yourself a stretch right between those shoulder blades. Big inhales and exhales. Try and pull the shoulder down. Both shoulders about parallel to me. Big inhale, big long exhale. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Bring it down and switch. Nice job today, ladies. So proud of you. Make sure you're staying hydrated the rest of the day. Bring it on down. Give yourself a little pat on the back with that right hand. Gently press it down for a nice little tricep stretch. Again, staying hydrated the rest of the day here. Drink plenty of water. Bring it down. Switch to the other side. Pat yourself on the back. Make sure you continue to nourish your body with tons of healthy food and fuel so that you not only feel good, you look good, you look energized, you feel energized. Bring it down. Let's widen those feet, clasp those hands behind you, open up through the chest, and then hinge it over. My favorite little chest and shoulder stretch, as well as a low back and leg stretch. It just kind of gets everything. It just feels so good after a workout. Let that head be nice and heavy. Bring those hands to the low back. Let those arms fall heavy to the floor. Take an inhale, exhale, roll yourself all the way up. Again, I am so proud of you. Thank you for showing up with me. Thank you for working out. I'll see you in the next one and have a fantastic rest of your day.